steam until it's done.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina Tornado Drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
As we age, and it's not as easy to lose weight anymore. That's why I teamed up with the experts at Nutrisystem to help create their newest plan specifically designed for women ages 55 and up. Introducing Complete 55, weight loss made for women by women.